Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to remove Lovable Watermark from website. First, open your project in Lovable AI. Make sure you are logged into the account that owns the project. If you have a paid plan, the process is very simple. Open your project settings and look for the option to disable or hide the watermark. Turn that option on, save the changes, and republish the project. The watermark will no longer appear on your website. If you do not have a paid plan, you can still remove the watermark by working with the project files. Start by opening your project in Lovable AI. Inside the editor, find the GitHub icon and click on it. Follow the on-screen steps to connect your project to a GitHub repository. You may need to log into GitHub and approve access. Once the project is connected, open the repository on GitHub. Click on the code button and choose the option to download the project as a zip file. Save the zip file to your computer. After the download finishes, extract the zip file. Open the extracted folder using Visual Studio Code or any other code editor you prefer. Inside the project files, locate the index.css file. Open the index.css file and scroll all the way to the bottom. On a new line, paste the following code exactly as shown. Save the file after adding the code. Now go back to your project folder and make sure the updated file is included. Replace the older version of the files with the new ones you just edited. Next, deploy this updated project using a hosting service like Versal. Upload the project, follow the deployment steps, and publish it. This will host your website outside of the Lovable AI environment, and the watermark will no longer appear. That is the full process from start to finish. Thanks for watching.